Today's video, I'm going to show you how to add audio to your Google Slides presentation. This is a useful skill to make your presentations more engaging and professional. First, open Google Slides in your browser and sign into your Google account. On the homepage, you can start a new presentation by selecting Blank Presentation or pick a template that fits your style. Once your slide is open, you're ready to add audio. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select Audio. Google Slides only allows audio files stored in Google Drive, so make sure your file is uploaded there. Once you select your audio file, it will appear on the slide as a small audio icon. You can move it anywhere on the slide and resize it if needed. To control how your audio plays, click the icon and open Format Options. You can choose to play it automatically when the slide appears, or on click, adjust the volume, and even stop it when moving to the next slide. And that's it. By following these steps, your presentation will be more interactive and engaging, helping you captivate your audience. Practice adding audio to enhance your slides and make them stand out. In today's video, I'm